Oh, it sure was nice of you to invite us out on your yacht, Mr. Pewterschmidt. Yacht, Mr. Yacht Schmidt.
It's not a yacht, it's a boat. Oh, I'm sorry. I thought you said it was a yacht.
Puke, Lois. Carter, bachelor party, cheeseburger helper.
Hey there, Pete. How would you like to take a half a pound of hamburger and pound my ass?
Sure.
Okay, then let's...
Hold on.
Oh, really?
You cheese.
Yeah, what do you think, Carter?
I'm sure what I'm supposed to do. I'm very comfortable.
Why don't you
No, Peter's stupid crippled friend. I think I'm just gonna leave.
get a lap dance, Mr. Pewterschmidt?
No, stupid crippled.
I was blowing chinks like crazy.
This older gentleman would dance.
When do I hit her?
Oh my God, what's happening to him?
I'm having a heart attack. You ought to know.
Oh my God. Is my father gonna be okay, Dr. House?
Fuck.
Oh dear. I do hope there's something to be...
House.
What if he's a famous race car driver, and then I'm a race car driver, and then he's a famous race car driver?
Race car driver?
Well, gosh, if you think race car driver...
Hello. As part of Miss Pewterschmidt's estate planning,
Race car...
house.
Hello.
What?
The board of directors' conference is fully filled, if that's what you'd prefer, Mrs. Griffin. House.
Well, Lois, I'm off to my first day as a corporate bitch.
I'm sure about this.
Whoa, thanks for the vote of confidence. All right, stand aside. I'll take it from here. Okay. Good afternoon, gentlemen. My name is Pete Griffin. Now, I want you all to lay on me. I'm gonna come on, one of you, and whoever catches it, pass it to the next guy, and so on. Everybody clear?
Yeah. I think we got it.
All right, here we go.
Peter, what the...
Bam.
Okay, I'll behave.
Yes, you will.
Look, Peter, all I'm saying is... Okay, I'll behave.
Chris, you are now Meg's mother.
Ooh, Peter.
I am gonna plow you so hard later. You are a team of executives I can plow so hard later. Brian, Quagmire, Mort. Well, it's good to see you.
Go, Dad.
But I sure am gonna miss being a corporate bitch.
Wayne.
Yay!